Hey creators, welcome to my channel Prisma Visuals. Thank you so much for to subscribe 1k. 1k subscribers. With the pleasure of being here, I am going to tell you about 3 websites like Mixamo. You can use these websites on your mobile without a mouse. Let's get started. Fast website. First open Google Chrome and search for Mesh 2 Motion. After searching, click on the fast option and then click on Try it out. It has 60 plus ready-made websites and you can also animate animals, birds and dragons in it. How can you animate a own model on this website? First click on the Create option and then click on the Upload option. Then you can import the model. After uploading the model, click on the Select a Skeleton option and select the Human option. Then adjust the bone. After adjusting, click on the Finish option and select the animation you want. Next to the animation box, there will be a small white box. Tap on it and click on the Download option. After this you can import the animated model into Prism 3D and use it. Second website is Characters 3D. You cannot upload characters from this website. But there is a trick, you can animate your character. First select the animation you want. After this select this Download option, then you will reach the next page. After this, click on Download, then select the file you want and download it. After this import the animated model into Prisma 3D. After this, how long is the animation? Trim it till that level. After this, import the model which you want to animate. After this, select the layer of the animated model. After this, save it in the animation library. Then, select the imported model, click on the plus icon and select the saved animation. You can see it is working and this 3 websites link is in the description. Now there is a third website, Search Anything World. Then scroll down the page and click on this website. After this click on Animated Now, wait for some time and click on Upload Model. After this click on Upload Your Model and then the next page will open. Then click on Browse Your File, upload your model. Then tap Continue. After this, write the name of the model and what type of model it is. After this click on Continue, then next page will come. Click on Continue, then next page will come. My model by clicking on Asymmetric, then clicking on Continue. Then processing is done. Then generate animation by tapping. It will take some time to process. And one more thing, this website may sometimes have some issue. Exit the website and open it again, it will be resolved. After this, select which animation you want and which files you want, download them and then import them into Prisma 3D. That wraps up our celebration of 1K subscribers. I hope the 3 Mixamo alternatives shared in this video unlock new possibilities for your creations. What other tutorial would you like to see next on Prisma Visuals? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new here and want more high-quality visual content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.